In this video, we show you a super easy way to accelerate your file downloads in Google Chrome. Let's begin. Open Google Chrome on your PC or Mac. Now, type the following inside the address bar and press Enter. You will see a page with experiments load up. Now, up at the search bar, type Parallel Downloads, and the option should be visible on your screen. Parallel downloading helps accelerate the download speed by connecting to 3 parallel sources. Once you see the option, there will be a drop-down menu alongside this option. Click on the drop-down menu and select Enabled from the list. That's it. You will be asked to relaunch Google Chrome. Relaunch the app and initiate any download. You will see the difference in download speeds by using this feature. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.